Learn how the right color psychology can turn browsers into bookers. Discover the subtle color tweaks that can make guests feel instantly at home. If this is your first time here or you haven't done so yet, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future episodes. You'll get straight, talking advice, tips that actually work, and maybe a laugh or two along the way. Have you ever wondered why some vacation rentals just feel better than others? It's not about the location, fancy coffee machines, or how many scatter cushions you can balance on the bed. It's color. Yep, good old, sneaky, mood swinging color. And if you're thinking, color? Really? You want to stick around because I've got a tip at the end that could actually increase your bookings by 30%. First impressions start with color. You've got 7 seconds. That's all it takes for guests to decide whether they like your space. Not your amenities, not your Wi-Fi speed, your vibe. And color sets that vibe. Imagine walking into a rental drenched with dark grays and beige. Feels like you're staying at a dentist's office, doesn't it? Now imagine a space with soft blues, warm neutrals, and a cheeky pop of yellow. Feels like a holiday. Now here's a quick fact. Blue is the most universally liked color worldwide. It evokes calm, trust, and rest. Just curious, what color dominates your living space right now? Now, color isn't a decor, it's a psychology. Let's break it down like your favorite playlist. As I mentioned, blue equals calm, trustworthy, great for bedrooms and bathrooms. Green equals relaxing and fresh, ideal for countryside rentals or nature-themed spaces. Yellow equals energetic and cheerful, perfect for kitchens or entryways. Red, passionate but intense. Use it sparingly. Maybe a vase, not a featured wall. Gray equals neutral and modern, but overdo it and your place feels like a corporate waiting room. So let's talk specifics. The bedrooms. Go soft or go home. In the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course, I talk about creating spaces that feel restful. Color plays a massive role in that. Cool tones equals sleep success. Blues, soft lavenders, and warm grays help guests wind down after their day of wine tasting, hiking, or wrestling with a toddler on a long-haul flight. Stay away from red or orange in bedrooms unless you want your guests waking up like they just downed 4 espressos. Curious, what colors are in your bedrooms, and do they invite sleep or insomnia? The power of light and color. Lighting changes how colors behave. Natural lighting makes white walls feel fresh. Fluorescent light makes the same wall look yellowed and sad. Ever had a guest message you that your bright and airy living room looks like a cave? That's lighting and color gone rogue. Try this. Use warm bulbs in lounge areas. Add dimmer switches where you can. Balance cool colors with warm lighting to avoid that hospital ward vibe. And yes, fairy lights still count as a design feature and a mood booster. Make your photos pop without filters. Instagram isn't your rental's best friend because it's free. It's your best friend because it sells experiences. A color-savvy design helps your property stand out in the feed. Add an accent wall. Throw in a teal pillow. Hang art with bold color blocks. Suddenly your listing isn't just a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's a place with personality. And let's face it, personality books faster. How to choose your color palette. Even if you're colorblind, here's a simple rule. Pick one base color, one neutral, and one pop. That's it. Example, your base, soft sage green. Neutral, warm ivory. Pop, burnt orange or mustard. Stick to this throughout your space for flow. Don't let every room feel like it was designed by a different cousin at a family reunion. Need help visualizing it? Tools like Canva or Colors.co let you play with the palettes without painting a single wall. A bonus tip? I know you're waiting for it. Listings with cohesive color palettes receive 24 to 30% more engagement. It's not magic, it's psychology. Are you more a tranquil blue or a bold jewel tone? Let me know in the comments. Now, here are your key takeaways. Color affects how your guests feel. Blue equals best friend in bedrooms. Lighting makes or breaks color. Instagram loves good pop. One base, one neutral, one pop. The psychology of color isn't just for artists or branding experts. It's for hosts who want their guests to walk in and go, "Ooh, this feels nice." It's a shortcut to better reviews, better photos, and better bookings. Are you ready to go deeper? Do you launch your first vacation rental course, which is good for both current and aspiring vacation rental owners, goes way beyond color. You'll want to check it out. You can find a link in the show notes. And if you'd like to check out another episode similar to this, try Elevate Your Vacation Rental Marketing Secrets to a Full Calendar, episode 19. You can find it on the Vacation Rental Resolutions website. Now, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip that could bump your bookings. And hey, if this episode helped you, feel free to buy us a coffee.